Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Amex gift cards, and more specifically, I'm going to see if we can use our Amex gift card in PayPal and use it as a payment method. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, if you're not familiar with the American Express gift cards, they're basically you buy them in a local store. I bought these at CVS. Once you buy the card, you can load cash onto it one time. It's not reloadable. Once you buy the gift card and then you've loaded money onto it, you can use it at most places that accept American Express, which is most places these days. But can you use it on your PayPal account as a payment method? I'm actually not too sure, so we're going to find out together. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. It's going to be a quick one, not a lot of steps involved. And I'm going to do this in the PayPal app. It's this blue and white one right here. If you don't have this app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I'm going to go ahead and open the app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and logged into my PayPal, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, you can see your current PayPal balance along with recent activity. But if you want to try and add your Amex gift card into your PayPal account as a payment method, you want to click right here on this little gear icon on the top right. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you're going to get this drop down menu. But if you want to try to add your American Express gift card into your PayPal account, you want to click right here on banks and cards. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, the screen pops up. If you have other cards attached to your PayPal, they're going to show up there under your payment methods. For me, I don't have any attached, so this screen pops up. And what you want to do is click on link a card or bank account. I'm going to click there now. Next, you have to choose between a bank account or a card. So this is an Amex gift card, so I'm going to choose the second line. Next, you have all these different options, but I usually just choose this top one, debit or credit card. I'm going to click there now. All right, next PayPal is asking for the 15-digit American Express gift card number. I'm going to enter that in off screen now. Okay, next PayPal is asking for the expiration date and security code from my Amex gift card. And the security code is right here. It's 4 digits on an American Express. So I'm going to enter that in off screen now. Okay, next PayPal is asking for me to verify the billing address on this Amex gift card. The thing is, with American Express gift cards, you can't register an address like you can with the Visa gift cards, but that doesn't really matter. I usually just use my regular billing address or mailing address, and I haven't run into any issues. They also recommend that you use the actual address for where you receive mail, and that way if the merchant needs to contact you, that way they have the correct address, because if you use a fake address, they may not be able to get in touch with you. So I verified that. I'm going to go ahead and click this blue link card button now. Okay guys, just a few seconds later, this screen pops up and it looks like yes, you can use your Amex gift card on PayPal as a payment method. As you can see right here, I now have a new American Express payment method listed under my banks and cards. So if you were not able to add your Amex gift card into PayPal as a payment method for some reason, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know why that might be. But as far as I can see, it should not be an issue at all for you. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.